Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. This right here is Moose, and you know what makes me so happy? He's so chill right now because just a few weeks ago, he was suffering from some pretty horrible hot spots. Well, I found this Skin Soother. This stuff is a complete game changer. I cannot believe how well this worked. It's essentially like a giant tube of lip balm. You pop off the cap and you just rub the infected area. I even put it on his paws because he had some red irritation on his paws from some seasonal allergies. But you can see the results after just a few days, and now he's completely healed. And that's just been in about 2 weeks. I tried to put this on him 2 to 3 times a day. And I was really impressed because he didn't seem to lick it off too much. I was concerned about that, but for him at least, it didn't bother him. So if your sweet fur baby is suffering from some itchy hot spots, I honestly cannot recommend this enough, and you can clearly tell that Moose is very happy too. And that's our point of view.